If you're running an online store or planning to build one, picking the right email platform can seriously impact how you reach customers, how you recover lost sales, and how you keep them coming back. Two tools that often come up are GetResponse and Omnisend. Both are good, but depending on your goals, one may fit better than the other. Let's start with GetResponse. GetResponse is a mature platform with broad marketing chops. It supports email campaigns, landing pages, automation, even webinars and funnels. For an online store, you'll get solid features. You can build email campaigns, set up abandoned cart workflows on higher tiers, segment your audience, integrate with your store platform. But the catch, many of its more advanced e-commerce features are behind higher-priced plans. On the plus side, if your business mixes products with services or you want one platform that handles both sales and lead generation, GetResponse gives you flexibility. Now let's look at Omnisend. Omnisend is built more strictly with e-commerce in mind. It integrates deeply with store platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. It offers pre-built workflows for things like cart abandonment, browse abandonment, purchase follow-ups, and product recommendation blocks inside emails. If your store is focused on converting visitors into customers and you want tools to drive sales via email, SMS, push notifications, and automation tuned for e-commerce, Omnisend shines. It also simplifies decision-making by making many of these features available across plans, not just top tiers. In conclusion, both tools are solid. If I were saying which one to choose for the pure e-commerce email marketing, I'd tip the scale toward Omnisend, simply because it is built for this exact use case: store-first, sales-driven, automation-friendly. If instead your business has multiple marketing dimensions, products, services, webinars, funnels, and you want one platform to manage everything, GetResponse could be the better long-term choice. Whichever you pick, the most important thing is to use it well. Build your flows, segment your audience, test your messages, and keep improving. A great tool does a lot, but it won't replace consistent strategy and execution.